Ever wonder about the mystery behind a sneeze? Let's uncover it. Sneezing is an automatic reflex to clear your nose. Sneezes are speedy, reaching up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most sports cars. Sneezes spread germs, shooting thousands of tiny droplets into the air. That's why it's so important to cover your nose. You can't sneeze while sleeping. The brain shuts down that reflex. Finally, sunlight can make you sneeze. It's a genetic trait called the Photic Sneeze Reflex. Fascinating, right? Now, you're a sneeze expert.